Now you not only have a huge selection of delicious smoothies to choose from, but you also have a full understanding of why they're so important for your health and how you can use them strategically to enhance your weight loss, boost your immune system, build strength, and more. Make sure you don't consume more than one of these a day and that you use the tips provided to actually make them fit into your lifestyle. Think about what results you want from your smoothie and design a few recipes that you can use to get all the different benefits you require. That might be better digestion, better sleep, muscle building, fat loss, or all of the above. And of course, you should vary your smoothies and have different combinations to maximize the variety in your diet. That said, you should also make sure to keep coming back to the same smoothies and same ingredients to ensure that you get the long-term benefits of building up lots of antioxidants and nutrients. How about having a weight loss smoothie every other day and an energy stroke defense smoothie in between? You'll find that whatever your choice, you start to quickly feel more energetic and generally healthier. Your mood will improve, you'll lose fat, and you'll develop a healthy glow that you just can't get from supplements. Of course, for best results, combine this with a healthy lifestyle and training regime. You won't believe just how transformative these effects are, but you're going to have to actually give it a go to find out. And I wish you every success.